Welcome to our video about eye health. In this brief time together, we'll explore the importance of taking care of our eyes and share tips for maintaining healthy vision throughout life. Our vision is one of our most precious senses, allowing us to appreciate the beauty of the world around us, connect with others, and carry out our daily tasks with ease. Therefore, it is crucial to take care of the health of our eyes to ensure a full and active life. To maintain good eye health, it is essential to adopt healthy habits. This includes a diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants, such as green leafy vegetables, carrots, and omega-3 rich fish. There are supplements that help in eye health. One that I indicate is Eyevita Plus, which has natural ingredients. All Eyevita Plus capsules contain the necessary nutrients that help reduce eye fatigue, improve clarity of vision, and help protect the eyes against dry eye syndrome. Eyevita Plus also protects against the harmful effects of blue light that is emitted by electronic devices. The link of this supplement is in the description of the video and fixed in the comments. Additionally, it is important to take regular breaks when using electronic devices to rest your eyes and avoid eye strain. Don't forget to schedule periodic eye appointments to ensure your vision is always up to date. Our eyes also need protection from external damage. Wear sunglasses with UV protection when going out in bright sunlight, and consider wearing protective eyewear during activities that pose risks to the eyes, such as manual labor or contact sports. Prioritizing eye safety can prevent serious injuries and preserve your vision for years to come. In short, taking care of your eye health is essential for a happy and productive life. Adopt healthy habits, protect your eyes from damage, and don't forget to have regular eye exams. Together, we can ensure a clear and bright vision for the future. If you have any questions or concerns about the health of your eyes, don't hesitate to seek out a visual health professional. Take good care of your eyes, they are the window to the world.